TJ with CLK Supplies, and welcome to How to Get It Done 1 Minute Locksmith Tips. Have you ever found yourself on a job trying to rekey some cylinders and you're having a hard time getting the C-clip off the back with your standard clip removal tool? Let me show you a quick and easy way to get those stubborn C-clips off. Alright, so what you want to do is find a multi-pick tool or an ice pick similar to this, or a really small screwdriver like this Wera one. And as what you want to do is you want to rotate the clip on the back of the plug to where the open part of the C-clip is facing up right here towards this Bible. Once you do that, all you have to do is on the back side of the keyway here on the bottom part where you can see it was milled, is just stick a screwdriver in like this and just gently pry straight down, just like that. And that makes it quick, easy, and simple to remove those C-clips. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.